Hey guys, putting together another video on this ProMod rear end. I had to change the plans on the CNC in it. These angles I'm doing on the ProMod rear end. I changed it a little bit. I had initially planned on going 45-degree angle. First cut on the housing, rear end housing, ProMod style rear end housing, I should say. I had drawn it up in solid edge for a 45. I changed it a bit. I'm going to go for 40-degree angle. I just didn't feel like getting back in the CAD and redrawing it and changing that angle. So I'm going to manually do this. Once I get this rear end all done, I'll mic it. Push the plugs out of it, if there is any. Hopefully there's not. But anyhow, I'm going to do this Mach 3 draw command as well as I did the other ones. Just going to briefly go over it real quick right here what I'm doing. Using a 1/2 inch 2-flute end mill, HSS high speed steel at 5,000 RPM. That gives you a general idea how I'm going about doing it. I'm not going to let it run too long here. Those of you who are not familiar with machining, you get a better idea how I'm doing it, how to explain as I'm going and steps I'm taking. Thanks for watching. Later. Hey guys, putting together another video on this ProMod rear end. I thought I'd briefly go over a few things here real quick. Like, as you can see, I got my 1, 2, 3 blocks set up. This is just for reference, so I know I'm staying at the same angle up here. I'll do all 4 sides this way. As you can see, I have already done this side here. And all I do is I just loosen both these clamps, turn the block 180 degrees. Mill this side over here, and then while I've got my 1, 2, 3 blocks set here, when I get done with this cut here, I'll loosen the clamps, flip the block over, and machine the back side of this one. Machine the back side of this one as well, and then I'll just repeat this process on the opposite side, cut my other angles to the other side. I thought one thing I should mention too, those of you not familiar with machining, every time you do a tool change, I would recommend not so much a tool change, but a different operation or tool change as far as that goes. You always want to check the clamps periodically to make sure they're tight. You want to check your end mill. In this case, I got a different kind of call it. And this is an element. You want to always check that. You always want to double check your drawbar as well. If your drawbar loosens up and everything, the tool will just it'll just drop right out of the spindle. Could be catastrophic. So don't want that happening. I just thought I'd briefly go over that and give you an idea about doing this step as well.
When it's gone, it's gone. And while you're shopping, register for your chance to win a Ford Explorer.
Hey guys, putting together another video on the ProMod rear end. If you've been following these or not, as you can see, I've got all four of the major cuts, 40-degree angle cuts, all the way around done on it. Operation went quite well. I didn't have really no problems at all. Other than my end mills is a tad dull, but other than that, it went quite well. As you can see, this is the rear end that I made about 3 or 4 years ago. The Beretta is made out of steel, and this is pretty much what I'm duplicating on aluminum. Give or take a few things are going to be different on it. On this one here, the 4 links are going to be all one piece, and I'll machine out the slots for the bars, for the wheelie bar mounts, and for the shock mount on the back side. This is the back side of it, obviously. These tabs here, these are going to be different too. These are all going to be machined out of a solid material that I have, and I'll just notch it, and it will bolt to it. It will bolt from the inside, so it'll no exposed bolts. It'll be bolted in from the inside. The torsion bar mounts, same material as the 4-link mounts. It'll be the same situation. Them will be bolted from the outside. Obviously, you can't get to the back side. There'll be 2 440 socket head cap screws to secure them. But just put together a quick video here. Don't have much time right now. This is where I'm standing on a ProMod rear end though. It's a ProMod style rear end. That's why I call it a ProMod rear end. It's also called a modular fabricated sheet metal. There's a few different names for it actually. But my next cut will be this cut on it here. This cut you see here on it now is this cut here. Kind of hard to tell from the back side. If you look at it from the front, so it's a little bit more easier to understand. Obviously it's wider because I haven't yet faced it. I'll face it here for the front before I start making the mount for the 3rd member. That will be a plate, additional plate that will bolt to this. But the next cut will be, obviously the front side stays flat just like it is now. The next cut will be the back, and it will be this cut through here. These pieces here I'm also going to be making for this rear end. There's reinforcements while they are. It's going to be designed much like this one. It's also going to be bolted from the inside, so there won't be no exposed bolts on that. The tube ends are going to be quite a bit different than this design here though. But anyhow, I'll be machining this cut here next, this angle rather, on this rear end here, for the ProMod, for the Beretta. And that's where I'm standing on the ProMod rear end right now. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.